Okay, today we are going to find the y-intercepts of rational functions. In order to be able to do this, we need to understand something very important. At all y-intercepts, our x value is equal to 0. But here's the thing. Before we can determine if we can find the y-intercept or not, we have to determine whether or not our graph will even contain one. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at what we have already done. What we've already done is that we've created the vertical asymptote, we've created the hole, and we've created the x-intercept. What you will notice, though, is that on the y-axis, there is a vertical asymptote located there. And if there is a vertical asymptote or hole located on the y-axis, there will not be a y-intercept. Because of the fact that we have a vertical asymptote here on our y-axis, there is no y-intercept. That leads us to our next problem over here. One more time, I'm going to look at the y-axis. Do we have any vertical asymptotes or holes on our y-axis? The answer to that is no. So what that means is that we are guaranteed to have a y-intercept right here. So what we're going to do to find it is we're going to go to our calculator and we're going to put the original function in. So we're going to do alpha y equals, to do the fraction, x minus 4 in the numerator, x squared minus 2x minus 8 in the denominator. I'm going to go to the graph just to see what this thing is going to look like, and you'll notice that there is a y-intercept right here. We just got to figure out exactly what it is. To do that, I'm going to go to the table, second graph. Now, if it does have a y-intercept, it is always going to be 0, comma, some number. To find out what that number is, look at the table. The number that we have is 0 and 1/2. So 1/2 will be the y-coordinate. So I'm going to go ahead and plot the y-intercept at this point. 0, 1/2, which is right about there. And that is how you find the y-intercepts for rational functions.